Hello, I am Dr. Mateen Asrar, and today I am going to show you a recipe for a super booster salad for males. And this salad has all kinds of superfoods. All the ingredients are special superfoods which help to increase the sperm motility and the sperm count. So let's start. The first ingredient here we have pumpkin seeds. Now, pumpkin seeds, as you know, are rich in fiber. They also contain phytosterol, which is very important for increasing the motility of the sperm. So, I'm going to start by adding the pumpkin seeds to my salad. And then the second ingredient here are walnuts. Walnuts are a rich source of antioxidants like vitamin E. So, as you all know, they are also very, very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So, omega-3 fatty acids, very rich ingredient that we are adding over here, walnuts. The third ingredient is everybody's favorite, carrot. Vitamin A rich, very good for the eyes. Not only for the eyes, it's also very, very important for male fertility. Very rich source. So here we go, adding all the carrots to our salad. Ingredient number 4 are avocados, and avocados are very, very important for fertility, both for the male and the female. Now, especially very good for the male because they increase the sperm count and help in the sperm motility. The fourth ingredient we have capsicum, rich in vitamin C, also rich in vitamin A. Both antioxidants which help to boost the immunity levels. And the last ingredient we have tomatoes, everybody's favorite, poor man's apple, rich in vitamin C and lycopene. So I'm adding it here. I'm going to give it a nice stir so that all our 6 ingredients are mixed up over here. Now, to flavor the salad, what do we have here? We have 3 ingredients basically: salt, black pepper, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. So this makes up our salad dressing. So what I'm going to do is going to give it a nice stir and then pour it into our salad. And then here we go, mixing it up all together to make sure that all the ingredients are nicely coated with our salad dressing. As you can see, it is very, very colorful. Looks very, very appetizing indeed. And you can get the nice flavor of the olive oil along with the lemon juice as you dig into it. Thank you.